We're at another Publix. Got this from the vending machine. I think on this one, I'm gonna just scan the barcode and see what we get. Grab the next one. Okay, let's grab the next cash stacks. That was ticket 44. So this should be 43, you feel me? Welcome back to Scratches to Riches, y'all. Hopefully we can get us a little... Oh, I was about to say it didn't come down. Hopefully we can get us a little coin right here. Two down. See if we can get another one. All right. Let's try to grab. This is the winner right here, y'all. It's not taking my money. What the heck? There we go. Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. $20 winner. All right. We done switched up to the 50Xer. Let's see what happens. Got the 12. $25 winner. Let's